Have you ever wondered why humor is such a powerful quality in relationships? Maybe you've noticed that women are drawn to men who make them laugh, or maybe you've experienced the magic of humor yourself and how it can break down walls, create comfort, and build strong bonds. But why is laughter such a deal breaker when it comes to attraction? Why do so many women say that a sense of humor tops their list of qualities in a partner? The problem is that while many men want to be funny or lighthearted, they sometimes feel pressured to impress or charm with humor without understanding why it works. The solution lies in understanding the psychology behind why humor creates such an impact in relationships. By learning how humor taps into emotions, creates comfort, and builds a deep connection, men can embrace humor more authentically. Let's dive into the real reason why laughter holds so much power and what science says about it. Number 1, humor builds emotional connection. Humor is a shortcut to emotional bonding. When people laugh together, it creates an immediate sense of closeness and comfort. According to research in psychology, shared laughter produces a chemical reaction in the brain that releases oxytocin, often called the love hormone. This hormone is vital in creating trust, bonding, and intimacy. Oxytocin is often associated with romantic and familial love, which means that laughter can make two people feel close in a way that goes beyond words. For women, this closeness and sense of safety play a huge role in their attraction toward a partner. By making a woman laugh, a man is essentially communicating, "I'm someone you can trust, feel safe with, and be yourself around." Humor signals that a man is comfortable, confident, and willing to share a moment of vulnerability. This emotional connection often stands out even more than physical attraction or other traits, creating a foundation that many women value deeply. Number 2, humor reflects intelligence and creativity. Another reason humor is so appealing is that it reflects both intelligence and creativity. Being able to make someone laugh requires quick thinking, good timing, and often a little bit of insight into the other person's sense of humor. Many psychologists agree that humor can be a reliable indicator of intelligence and emotional awareness. Humor shows adaptability, social awareness, and an understanding of subtle social cues, all qualities that women often find attractive. When a man is genuinely funny, he demonstrates his ability to think creatively, and his humor often reflects a depth of thought and perspective. It's not about cracking jokes or memorizing one-liners. It's about showing a unique, spontaneous, and original side that feels authentic. This psychological attraction is partly based on evolutionary theory, which suggests that intelligence and creativity were survival traits. Today, intelligence and humor can be just as appealing as traditional measures of intelligence, making it a standout quality in attraction. Number 3, humor eases tension and creates comfort. Everyone faces stressful situations, from work challenges to everyday worries, and humor has the incredible ability to diffuse stress. When a man can bring lightness and laughter into a difficult moment, it shows he's resilient, optimistic, and capable of handling life's ups and downs. Women often seek partners who can create comfort, ease tension, and make them feel safe during tough times. Laughter has the power to turn frustration into joy and worry into calm. This ability to transform tense moments into moments of relief shows emotional maturity and stability, two qualities that many women look for in a partner. Psychologically, humor gives a sense of relief by distracting the mind from stress and refocusing it on something positive. In relationships, humor becomes a tool to work through challenges together, creating a supportive environment where both partners can relax and be themselves. It signals a low-drama, high-comfort personality that many women value highly in a potential partner. Number 4, humor makes memories and bonds stronger. Laughter isn't just about the here and now. It creates positive memories that strengthen bonds. Think about the people you remember most fondly or the moments that stand out in your past. Often, it's the people who made you laugh and the experiences that brought joy that stand out the most. Humor creates shared experiences, and these become part of a couple's story together. For women, these memories represent a source of happiness, something they look back on with warmth and affection. Studies in social psychology indicate that couples who laugh together have a stronger sense of satisfaction and resilience in their relationships. So when a man can make a woman laugh, he's not only creating a joyful moment, he's crafting a positive memory that she'll carry with her, building a deeper and more meaningful bond. It's like planting seeds of happiness in the relationship that grow and blossom over time, making the connection last. Number 5, humor. Shows confidence and security. Confidence is attractive, and humor is one of the clearest signs of it. A man who is willing to crack a joke or make a playful comment shows that he is comfortable with himself and isn't afraid to be a little vulnerable. Humor shows that a person doesn't take life too seriously and that they can roll with the punches. For many women, this ease of being oneself, demonstrated through humor, is incredibly appealing. It suggests that a man is likely to be secure in himself and comfortable around others, making him a more reassuring presence. In contrast, a person who rarely laughs or resists lightheartedness may come across as tense, anxious, or overly serious, traits that can make relationships feel more like a chore than a joy. This psychological effect of humor signals that a man is stable, comfortable in his own skin, and unafraid of embracing life's lighter side. This quality is often a magnet for attraction because it allows women to relax, open up, and feel safe to be themselves around him. Number 6, humor reflects positivity and optimism. Life can be challenging, but a man who can laugh, even during tough times, exudes a sense of optimism and positivity. Women are often drawn to this trait because a partner with a positive outlook can inspire them to see life from a brighter perspective. Positive humor promotes mental resilience and reinforces the idea that there's always a way to look on the bright side. Psychologically, humor is linked to higher levels of mental well-being. Men who use humor effectively tend to cope better with stress and may even have better health outcomes because laughter has real benefits, including reducing stress hormones and boosting immune function. For women, this trait suggests a partner who can not only face life's challenges, but also help bring positivity into the relationship, making each day a little brighter. Humor is a universal language that connects people on a deeply emotional level. By making her laugh, a man creates comfort, trust, and attraction, all of which are crucial in building a lasting relationship. From the release of feel-good hormones to the creation of memorable moments and shared joy, laughter builds a powerful bond that's hard to break. If you've ever wondered why women prioritize humor so highly, the answer lies in psychology. Humor is more than just entertainment. It's a language of connection and understanding. For men who want to build real, lasting attraction, the path is clear. Be genuine, embrace humor, and let the laughter create a bond that words sometimes cannot. Well, there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out the video recommendations on the screen. Here's to building better, more joyful connections, one laugh at a time.